OPPO has officially confirmed that its camera-focused flagship, the Find X9 Ultra and the Find X9s Pro will debut in China in April. And this is the real-life first look. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra will have a built-in 10x telephoto camera. The Find X9 Ultra has the world's first 50MP periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom, with a 230mm equivalent focal length. The camera will be able to shoot 460mm 20x pictures at optical quality zoom. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra feature a 200-megapixel Sony LYTIA901 primary sensor, a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 ultra-wide shooter, a 200-megapixel OmniVision OV52A lens with 3x optical zoom, include a 3.2-megapixel Dayout color restoration sensor for better color capture, a 50-megapixel autofocus selfie camera at the front. The Find X9 Ultra has a 6.82-inch flat OLED screen with 2K plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, powered by a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, running ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. OPPO Find X9 Ultra tipped to pack a 7000 mAh dual-cell battery with 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. OPPO is moving towards releasing the Find X9 Ultra both in China and globally. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.